Troy from Ace Appliance in Toledo, Ohio. Welcome back to another in-home diagnostic video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Okay, today what we're looking at is a Whirlpool electric range, and the customer's primary issue that she's having is she has two burners that are either A, not working, is the back one, and the front one is sparking. What I did is I just tested, I turned them on. The two small ones work fine, the back one does not come on. The front one comes on when I mess with the wires inside, which tells me that we have not only a bad element that we need to replace, but we also have a bad connection plug inside there. The element that's in the back corner is broken. The bracket has came off, the center cap plate is missing, and the unit is now free. And with it being free, if they touch, you can get issues that way. But I can also see the tips of these have rusty arced out spots on them, and the arced out rusty spots just tells me that it's not making a good connection inside that plug inside there. So I'm going to open up the unit just so I can show you what I'm looking for and what I'm looking at when I go inside, but essentially we need to replace these parts. Alright, so to lift the lid on this unit, it's really easy. Some of them will have screws along the bottom, some of them will have tabs you have to push. This one does not. This one is simply a lift, and once you get it lifted, the arms set into place so it'll hold itself up. Okay, so with the top open, what we're looking at is we have 4 separate plugs under the unit, one for each burner top. You'll notice all the wires come back to the same place because they're going back up and they're connecting to your knobs that you turn up top. The dilemma is that when one is bad, I believe, I'll double check for this unit, but on most units it's a complete wiring harness that you have to replace. It's not one specific burner, it's the whole set. So even though the other burners are working fine, the plugs are fine, because we have one burned out, this one actually has a hole burned in the bottom of it, where it has came loose inside and the wires are not in position. They're not connected, so they're arcing and sparking inside. So we need to replace the harness. We also should replace this burner and the broken back burner as well. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.